Hello everyone. In this video, I'll show you how to add and visualize MockFlow IdeaBoard projects directly inside Trello. Here we will use a Trello project called Cafe Interior Design Project. Open any card within the project. Then click Power-Ups and select Add Power-Ups. In the Trello Marketplace, search for MockFlow IdeaBoard and click Add to install it. Once the Power-Up is installed, open the card again and click on the MockFlow IdeaBoard Power-Up. Your MockFlow dashboard will open. Choose the IdeaBoard project you want to attach, and the IdeaBoard editor will load instantly. You can view, edit, brainstorm, and collaborate with your team in real time. When you're ready, click Attach to add the IdeaBoard project to your Trello card. As you can see, the IdeaBoard is now attached and accessible directly from the card. And that's it. Your IdeaBoard project is now connected to Trello and can be opened anytime with a single click.